So we're on the island of Curaçao. We're here with the San Juan Social Club cruise, which, by the way, you guys missed. It is an amazing cruise. Last night, I had not one, but two dinners, and each one of them was with a billionaire with a B. That's a new one for me. That's the kind of thing you can expect to do if you come on the San Juan Social Club cruise next year. So use our code. We'll put one out right now. You can sign up now while it's cheap and while you get the best cabin. We're supposed to be on vacation, right? But we love to look at value add real estate. So we were just driving around looking for something to do. We were headed to some caves down the road, and then we saw some distressed housing. We had to stop and back up and go look at it. Now we're filming a video, and we've got an appointment with a realtor that we're driving to next to see something that's for sale on the island. No matter where you go, there's a deal of a lifetime just waiting to be found. You got to be looking. Wherever we go, we're looking at real estate, right? Look at, there's a deal, that's a deal. Look at that deal, stop, oh my God. Let's go look at these things. Holy moly. Back the hell up. What? We gotta look at this. I don't even know if you saw, but that's a deal, that's a deal, that's a deal, that's a deal. And even on the other side of the road, this is a little gold mine. Where are we? Curaçao. I don't even know where the hell we are. But deals are everywhere. No matter where you go, there you are. And there's a deal if you look for it. Look at this. This is an abandoned house. They stopped, they ran out of money. These are gold mines. Show them. We can go into this one. So I don't even know what real estate costs here, but I know that when you find something like this, you're going to get a good deal. Look at this. They haven't been working on this house in a long time. So they've run out of money. Something's gone terribly wrong for them. There's a distressed seller of this property. And when you can find something like this and you can buy it, we'll show you on the way out where there's good properties, but everything looks really nice in the neighborhood. Then you come across distress, 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 distress. I think there's 5 things here in this little neighborhood. And this is the same, it doesn't matter where you go. Every island in the Caribbean, every state in the US, even in Europe, there's always a good deal in every market. You just got to be out there driving for dollars and looking for them. What do we got? Bathroom. Somebody's having fun, losing their clothes. Probably the tequila. Yeah, this has been sitting vacant for a few years, I would think. So what would we look at? If we could buy this for pennies on the dollar because they're distressed, they've done a lot of the work, but it still needs an incredible lift, right? It needs all the doors and the windows and the electric and the plumbing. It needs the kitchens. It needs everything. What we want to try to do when you're looking at something like this, if you can find the owners, is you're going to buy it at basically their land value, and then this, what they've done, will be free. You finish it up, and you sell it at the retail. That's the art of value add real estate investing. When people are distressed, when properties are distressed, you buy at the low valuation, you imagine it back up to its highest and best use. This would be a great place for someone to live. All it needs is doors and windows and kitchens. Oh my, let's go. Wow, I didn't even realize that it had an ocean view. Look at this. Let's go in it. You get 2 for the price of 1 here if you could buy it. And you fix it up. Then you sell it to someone who's going to live in the front or someone who's going to live in the back, and they rent out the other. It's a house hack, highest and best use. Boom. What do you think? Comment below. Are you crazy like me when you travel to other countries? Do you look at real estate on your time off? This is supposed to be vacation. Fuck that. Let's go look at real estate. I wonder where all the birds are that are living here and why they're not here. They must have heard us pull up. And they flew out. They knew that no vagrants are allowed. The birds are like, the colonizers are here, the colonizers are here, let's fly away. We rented the last car of the day so that we could have some time to go see the sights. And who knew that the sights would be some nasty buildings that haven't been finished?
I knew.
That we could buy. You knew?
I knew.
You knew the whole time?
Yeah.
Everybody knew but me. Linda, did you know?
Yes, I knew.
I thought we were going to the caves.
Is this their spot?
All right. Well, now we're at the Pink Iguana to get a coffee. Dale.
Dale.
We're here in Curaçao again. We've been driving for dollars all day. We're gonna see a house that's not in bad shape. Okay, good, let's go see.
Yes, actually the pool is working, they just need to replace the pump. Okay. And they are working on that. So by next week it's gonna be done.
It's actually not bad.
And
This
then you
looks
can start
good.
to clean up and fill in the pool.
It's got nice roots.
We also have another house at Coral Estate. Do you guys know Coral Estate?
Needs a new kitchen. It's got some wood rot. So we'll find out when this house was built, but I'm guessing it was built 10 years ago. Wouldn't you think? Probably around 10 years ago.
It's a little dated.
Not much. It was recently prepared, the kitchen and everything.
When was this house built?
2008.
2008, okay.
Yes.
And the roof, though, is a pitched roof, right? It's not flat.
No, it's not flat. It's okay to go up? Yes.
We're from Puerto Rico, so everything in Puerto Rico is a flat roof.
Oh.
Almost no pitch roofs. So,
Oh.
but we get hurricanes, and I guess you don't.
Sorry?
You don't get hurricanes.
No, here,
Here.
so no, every time there's deviated, but yes, we are like in a risky area, but thanks God nothing has happened.
That's
Okay,
good.
so we can go upstairs.
Yes, please. Do they allow like Airbnb?
Yes, you are free to do anything, and this is a perfect location for Airbnb. You are 10 minutes from the airport. You have Bali, the area in the front when you enter in, and then you have Banda Bow, the west side of the island, which you have the most beautiful beaches.
Okay. And what was my next
Sorry,
question?
this area is 70% Airbnb. Sorry?
This area is 70% Airbnb? Any HOA in the area? Is there a homeowners association?
Not for the area, but you can get like a property manager that can manage the Airbnb for you.
Ah, okay.
But not, you are free, you don't have to pay any HOI fee.
Okay. Go here.
This is the master bedroom.
It's a big master bedroom.
Actually, was also divided. So if you open up,
It could be a bigger master bedroom?
a bigger master. So you have
Wow.
a walk-in closet right there.
Wow. The bedrooms are really big, huh? Does the lights come on? These are large bedrooms.
So upstairs you have 4 bedrooms. You can close up right here, and then that one is gonna be 1-bedroom apartment.
Got
So
it.
you have in total 3 units in just one
Total
lot.
of 3 units in the one house.
Yes.
And no extra permits to do that, you can just
No,
do it.
because it is inside, you don't have to ask for any permission.
I love that.
That's really
Yeah,
good.
Just do it.
Is working with the government in Curaçao easy or hard?
It depends. It could be very easy. It depends on the project and the concept you're bringing to the island. But if it is just something personal or inside a building, actually you don't have nothing to do with the government.
And how about the taxes if you own a property like this and you put it on Airbnb and you're making money with it?
It's 7%.
7%?
7%
Sales tax or-
sales tax.
Okay.
So that the clients pay, and then it will be taxable depending if you are living here. Then at the end you have to pay taxes on
Income
the
tax.
income tax.
Got it.
But then you have the deduction you can do, so it's gonna be 20%
Okay,
in total of your total income.
got it. All right, so we made a wrong turn. We're in this neighborhood. It's called Dorado Beach East. Oh, no. It's called Blue Bay. We're in Curaçao, not Puerto Rico. But this is, I guess, where you would call it Gringo Land. $1 million homes and the golf courses, country club living. And we're trying to find out before the end of the video if there's a way to invest for a passport in Curaçao. We think that maybe there is. We'll find out. Here we are at Blue Bay Village. We're looking at properties. Leave a comment, guys. Do you do this on your vacation? I mean, no matter where you go, you got to try and find the deal of a lifetime. You know why? Because the deal of a lifetime will allow you to go wherever you want to go. That's a great question. Houses like this, if we were in Dorado Beach East, these things would all be like 3 million. The nicer stuff would be 4 or 5, and then the houses that are on the water, which we're trying to get down to, would be some ungodly amount. We are not in the right spot. This is like the country club.
Go back up that road you're going up.
Let's It's a restaurant, the country club.
This is the beach.
This is the beach too.
This is the beach.
Here's a golf course. You're right. Hole 18 right there. They do it just like they do in the States. 18 holes of golf, 19 for the restaurant.
Oh, they're doing the Olympics here.
They're doing the Olympics here.
Did they like surf here or something?
Are we walking to the beach?
Yeah,
Right?
it's right there.
All right, let's go. If you're gonna make it to Curaçao, you gotta make it to the beach. So this is the beach day for the Flip Flop Flipper. Stick with us, you never know where we're gonna go. Give this video a like.